How to use Lido Finance Staking Easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can get started with Lido staking. So let's get into it. Now, a lot of people might wonder, why can't you just stake on your normal marketplace or on your normal crypto platform? So if you're using Binance, Bybit, whatever platform it might be, you have multiple different staking options there. What is the difference between those and Lido, and what are the pros and cons of doing this? Well, staking Lido will actually give you a derivative coin. So if you go ahead and stake on Lido, so let's say if you stake Ethereum on a Lido, you will get STETH, which is going to be liquid money. So you're going to be against your actual Ethereum that you have staked, you're going to get staked ETH, and that staked ETH can actually be liquid. So you will be able to use that token. Usually the price is not 1-to-1, which is the ideal ratio. However, you will still be able to manage liquidity with your staked assets, which is a large issue for a lot of people that are wanting to do staking and they don't have that large of a liquidity pool to be able to, lock up their assets, because locking up assets is an essential part of staking. So that is where Lido comes in. Plus, it also simplifies a lot of processes in staking. For example, whenever you are staking assets, you can see that if you want to stake Ethereum, you need to find a validator for that. And they have their own validators. It's a lot safer if you go with this route instead of having to find your own validator. So if you stake your coins, they are there and you can't use them, you can't sell them until they are unlocked. And that is great as a user that is doing it on Lido, because you're getting staked Ethereum or staked version of that coin, and you will be able to use that. So make sure that you are staking a amount that is easily being withheld for lockup. So if you don't need that amount of Ethereum or Polygon or whatever token it might be, make sure you're only staking that, not just your entire wallet, not just all of your finances. So that is also something to keep in mind. Now, to get started with Lido, all you have to do is head on over to lido.fi, and you can just click on stake now over here, and you will get multiple different options. So you have Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, Polkadot, and Kasuma. And for Ethereum, you're going to be staking ETH. For Solana, you'll be staking Sol. For Polygon, it's going to be Matic. For Polkadot, it's going to be DOT, and for Kasuma, it's going to be KSM, which is their native token. Now, what you're going to do is simply just go on ahead and use this stake now button. Now, depending on the wallet that you have, if you have MetaMask, you will be able to do with Ethereum. If you are staking Polygon, then you might want to go to a Polygon network wallet, such as Phantom Wallet. But if you're just staking any of the other tokens, it's fine if you're using MetaMask. Any Ethereum-based wallets or any Ethereum-based wallet works well with their platform. Now, after that, you can simply click on stake now over here, and you will get a notification on your MetaMask. So over here, you're just going to input your MetaMask password, and this will unlock your platform, and then you will simply click on connect over here. And we're just waiting for the wallet connection to be completed, and we're going to move back to the Ethereum mainnet. We're going to click on connect wallet on our Lido screen, and you will simply choose the wallet that you want to connect. You get multiple different options. You have MetaMask, then you have Math Wallet, Tally, Brave, Trust, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, Ledger, Coinbase, all those crypto wallets. So you're just going to select MetaMask, and now you can see my wallet has been linked over here. Once you do that, you can see you will have your available to stake Ethereum. Then you will have your staked Ethereum. So this will show you how much Ethereum you have staked and what is the staked amount that you're receiving. So you can go on ahead and add staked Ethereum to your wallet token. So you can click on add token and add the staked Ethereum token to your wallet, which is going to be the liquid token that you can stake. Now, below that, you will be able to see the stats. So whatever amount you put in, let's say you put in 1 or 8, however much it is, you'll be able to see your staked Ethereum that you will receive, the exchange rate that you're getting for staked Ethereum, or the staked version of the token that you are staking. Then you will be also able to see the transactional cost, the reward fees. You also have Lido statistics. So you have the annual percentage rate, the total stake with the Lido platform, the different stakers, the staked Ethereum market cap as well. And after that, you just go on ahead and you can click on continue to continue your staking process. You just have to enter your amount, click submit, and then your staking will be moved on. Now, what is the benefit of staking over here other than just being able to get staked Ethereum? Well, you also get reward. So you get a reward for having staked money, and that is the best part about using this platform. So although you can now go on Bybit or Binance, a lot of those other crypto platforms, and you can actually buy staked versions of token. So if I go into the trade section and I go into the spot charts over here, so now a lot of these marketplaces are also selling staked versions of the Lido tokens, so you can buy the Lido tokens directly on the marketplace. However, it is something that I don't recommend simply because that is a benefit of using Lido, is that when you have your Ethereum and you have staked that Ethereum, not only do you get staked Ethereum that is going to be liquid in exchange for your staked Ethereum, but you also will get rewards, and that is where you're going to be making profit. So you're going to get you can see the Lido APR currently for Ethereum is 5.3%. So you're getting that 5.3% in interest over the money that you already own. So that is one of the major reasons that people use Lido to stake their tokens, especially if you're wanting to do Ethereum staking, then Lido is going to be an amazing platform for you. Plus, you can also see that staked Ethereum is a token that represents the staked value of Ethereum that you have in Lido, and it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So you can use it as you would normally use your Ethereum, allowing you to earn more on the Beacon Chain rewards list, benefiting from yields across the decentralized platform. Now, you can see that there are multiple different supported networks for Lido Exchange. You have Solana, Polygon, Kasuma, and Polkadot. You can stake any of these tokens, and you can see the APRs are going to vary. However, I don't recommend going by the APR that they show you because it is dependent on the duration of your staked token. So when you're staking for 30 days, 40 days, 50 days, that will really change the APR that you will receive from Lido. So keep that in mind whenever you are looking to stake any of your token. You can see that currently for Polkadot, you can unstake and stake your token as well. So that is another amazing option for certain tokens. You can unstake them. There is a lock for certain tokens for a number of days. For some, it might not be there. So you can unstake your token if need be. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.